Now, chapter number 6, Caste Khand. Introduction. In old age educational system of India, vicinity of preceptor means teacher and disciple means student was great importance, as it was the tradition that the student had a reside in Gurukul for his studies, so both of them had a chance to stay together for whole day. Guru and Shishya. Guru used to preach the pupil at any time and any place. As a result, along with regular syllabus, a student used to get a chance to acquire knowledge, sometimes naturally or sometimes suddenly. Today also this tradition has been preserved in Gurukuls and Pathsalas, which are following old age methods of teaching and learning of Sanskrit. One of such incident is presented in this lesson. Guru, while moving on the bank of river with his disciple, suddenly watches a piece of wood floating on water in the river. At once Guru's sharp intellect become active to impart very significant knowledge to his disciple. The knowledge preached by Guru to his disciple at this time and place is very applicable even today, because this teaching is on the spot or practical learning. Guru explained the idea how to live a life. There are 4 types of obstacles. Okay, now story. When Guru is wandering near a river bank, he saw one piece of wood is floating in the river flow. Indicate this wood, he preached pupil, student or disciple, that this wood might get happiness to reach the ocean. Ocean is a treasure of gems. Gems means diamonds or rubies, this all type of gems. So when he preached this, student is thinking that each type of gems as per you, but Guru says, but on the way this would get 4 types of obstacles. If he cross this all the obstacles, then it is surely reach to the ocean. Suppose he cross all these 4 types of obstacles. Now, first obstacle. Which 4 obstacles? First is stuck with the bank of river. If wood stuck in the land of river bank, then it cannot go ahead. Second thing, it's a whirlpool. Third thing, heavy burden and sinks down to the river slab. River no je niche no slab hoy eman ચોંટી જાય, then it cannot go ahead. And fourth is, if when river flowing fast, ઉછાળા મારે ત્યારે, when river flowing fast, if the wood separated from the flow of river, then this cannot go to the ocean. Similarly, we human are also like a piece of wood. Why? Because if we want happiness, then we have to save our life with 4 types of obstacles. First obstacle, stuck with the bank of river. In our life, this obstacle is more eating, more sleeping, and more fear to do work. Gandhiji says, laziness, more eating, વધારે પડતું ખાવ એટલે ઊંઘ આવે. More sleeping and fear. Fear means डर. Okay, when गांधी जी says डर इंसान का सबसे बड़ा रोग है. डर ही इंसान का सबसे बड़ा रोग है. याद रखना है कि डरना नहीं है किसी भी हाल में. ओके, किसी भी चीज से डरना नहीं. इफ यू आर राइट देन यू शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट एनीबॉडी. ओके, so these three things are usually we eat more food at night time and we cannot wake up early. Okay, then third thing is fear. મને નહીં આવડે તો I can't do it. Why? Just try. Only with try you are being fail or pass. But this is not matter. You have participated in this work. Okay? Success not jaruri. Ability jaruri. There is no need of success. There is need of ability and try. Okay? Second is heavy burden. Heavy burden means social behavior. We are living in society. Yes. So social behavior is expected everywhere in society, but not more than વધારે પડતું નહીં. Okay. Sometimes we go to our relatives or relative functions or relative meetings more and more. Then you are divert from your studies. So distract from your studies. So you cannot get proper way for your studies. So in this studies or earning all these things. So when you are doing heavy social behavior, then you sink down. Third is whirlpool. What is the meaning of whirlpool? Bavander. We call Bavander or whirlpool. Whirlpool, when we caught in whirlpool, this piece of food rotates around one place only. In our life, there are 4 types of whirlpool. First is drinking wine. Okay, liquor. Drinking wine is very bad habit. કોઈની છૂટી નથી, છૂટવાની નથી. Okay, so drinking wine. Second is gambling. Jugaad. Sakuni Mama. Yudhishthir lost all the property, also his wife also. You know. So never anyone being victory. Okay, anyone get any type of victory. जुगाરમાં કોઈને કોઈ હારે છે, જીતે નહીં. Third thing is eating tobacco or padiki masala, chewing tobacco. Okay. Fourth thing is robbery or thieves, chori karni. These all are obstacles for our life. Because if we caught in this type of obstacle, we are moving around it. We cannot go ahead. We cannot go to progress. Okay. So these all things we have to take precautions. We should not fall in this all types of bad habits. And last is separate from river flow is separate from family. Simple. If we live in family, then some quarrels are there. But because of selfishness or because of anger, if we turn face from the family and we are living ahead, we are living alone, then we are separated from the family. Family is a flow of love. Always family is a flow of love, and we are not. Suppose there is a family, then if we live together, maybe sometime house is small and we have to separate. But if relation is good, then it is one family. There is no matter where you are living. But family, where you need the family. Suppose there is an accident with you in hospital, some people are with you, but are you feeling better at that time? If your family comes, okay, this is the answer. What is the meaning of law of family or flow of water? Okay, and so these four types of obstacles, if we are not following these four types of obstacles, then we enjoy the happiness of the life. Okay, this is the best way. Okay, this is the story of chapter number 6. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય.